Hello everyone. Today we will study about solubility. So first of all, what is solution? When solute is dissolved in solvent is called solution. When we mix solute and solvent, solution is formed. Let us understand by an example. For example, sugar in water. Here sugar is acting as solute, water is acting as solvent, and the mixture of both of them forms solution. And what happens when we mix solute plus solvent? Solute disappears. I told you that sugar, you might have seen when you add sugar in water, sugar disappears. So, in solution, the form which disappears is known as solute. So, now the main solubility. The amount, the maximum amount of solute particles which can be dissolved in per 100 ml or gram of solvent. तो solubility क्या होती है कि वो मैक्सिमम अमाउंट सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स की जो हम किस में डिजोल्व करते हैं पर 100 ml और ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट। ओके, वो डिफाइन करती है किसी भी सॉल्यूशन की सॉल्युबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट आती है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सॉल्युबिलिटी एक्सप्रेशंस। सॉल्युबिलिटी एक्सप्रेशंस मोस्टली एग्जाम में पूछी जाती हैं। सो फर्स्ट वन इज वेरी soluble. These are the descriptive terms which are written here: very soluble, freely soluble, so on. And what are these? Less than 1, from 1 to 10. These are the relative amount of solvents to dissolve one part of solute. हम कितना पार्ट सोल्यूट का ऐड करते हैं सॉल्वेंट्स के अंदर. So these are the solubility expressions. You can take screenshot of this. First one is very soluble. What happened in this? Less than one part of solute is taken. Freely soluble from 1 to 10. Soluble from 10 to 30. Sparingly soluble from 30 to 100. Slightly soluble from 100 to 1000. Very slight soluble from 1000 to 10,000. And insoluble means more than 10,000. It might be difficult for you to learn. So a very easy trick to learn the expression table is written here. Very first swimming sport was between Sri Lanka versus India. It's a mnemonics. It's not real. Just to remember. So from very we can have V, which represents very soluble. From F we can take F, that represents freely soluble. From swimming we can take S, which represents soluble. From sports we can take SP, which represents sparingly soluble. And was between we just have to remind. And from here, from Sri Lanka we can take SL, which represents slightly soluble, and versus very slight soluble. India I, which represents insoluble. So it might become very easy for you. Very soluble, which is our first term. Freely soluble, which is our second term. Soluble, third term. Sparingly soluble, fourth one. Slightly soluble, fifth one. Very slight, sixth one. And insoluble, seventh. So it became very easy. Very first swimming spot was between Sri Lanka and India. Just by remembering first word, we can learn the whole table. So you might don't know the meaning of these words. Very soluble, freely soluble, what they mean. Let me make you understand. Very soluble means when you mix a solute, which we call very soluble, that will mix very much quickly. Next one is freely soluble, that only dissolve, not quick, but it will dissolve. Soluble, dissolve on stirring, we have to mix it. For example, sugar, you have to stir it for mixing. That is known as soluble. Sparingly soluble, dissolve on heating, we have to heat that solute or solution. Next one is slightly soluble, dissolve on heating by stirring. We have to heat and stir too. Okay. Very slightly soluble, on maximum effort, very less amount of solute is dissolved. वेरी स्लाइट मीन्स बहुत कम, हम इतने ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे वो फिर भी बहुत कम अमाउंट में डिजॉल्व होएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज insoluble. Insoluble, it itself says that it will not be get solubilized. Solid particles does not dissolve. Particles dissolve ही नहीं होएंगे. So thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.